Natural language processing, more frequently referred to as NLP, is a field of computer science that studies how computers understand, interpret, and generate human language data. NLP came to life around the 1950s. In the early days, the first NLP methods focused on rule-based systems, which used language grammar rules to try to process the text. For instance, in designing such a system, I might establish a rule: treat sentences starting with can you, will you, or is it as questions. Then, when the system processes the sentence, can you help me, it will recognize it as a question. This rule, however, seems quite basic and manual, doesn't it? In the late 1980s, and especially early 90s, statistical NLP emerged, marking a shift from rule-based systems to a probabilistic approach that interprets language data through extensive data analysis. In the 90s, a statistician might have been tasked with designing a program to identify whether can is used as a noun or a verb in a sentence. The difference is very important because, as a verb, can describes a person's ability to do or accomplish something, whereas as a noun, it refers to a container, like a Coca-Cola can. So, back in the 90s, I would have to gather many sentences containing the word can and make annotations whether the word was used as a noun or verb in any of these sentences. This would allow me to perform context analysis by analyzing other words can was used with. For instance, the analysis might reveal that when words like you or I are close to can, it typically indicates a verb. Alternatively, if words like soda are used in the sentence, we most likely have a noun. The final goal of this analysis is to obtain a model capable of indicating the probability of whether can is a verb or a noun in a given sentence based on the frequencies calculated earlier. Attempting to discern patterns in the data in this way seems akin to primitive machine learning, doesn't it? In our next lesson, we'll learn how vector embeddings, machine learning, and deep learning have advanced the NLP capabilities we've witnessed today. Thanks for watching.